You understand English when you listen. You understand English when you read. But when you try to speak, the words don't come out. You feel stuck. You feel nervous. Many learners feel exactly this way. Today, we will fix this together, slowly, gently. Take a deep breath. Let's begin. Today, we focus on a very common problem. You can understand English easily, but speaking feels impossible. This is not your fault. This happens to millions of learners, and there is a reason why. More importantly, there is a solution. We will practice together today. No pressure, no rush. Just you and me. If you're walking, just listen. If you're resting, that's perfect. You can repeat quietly or just in your head. Both are fine. Let's talk about why this happens first. When you listen to English, your brain is relaxed. You hear words. You understand them. You don't need to do anything else. Listening is passive. It's easy. Your brain receives information. But speaking is different. Speaking is active. Your brain must find the words. Your brain must arrange the words correctly. Your mouth must say the sounds. All of this happens at the same time. It's much harder. This is why you understand but cannot speak. You trained your ears, but you didn't train your mouth. You didn't train your confidence. And that's okay. We will train them now. Let's practice something simple right now. I will say a sentence, you will repeat it. Listen first. I understand English. Now you say it. I understand English. Good. Let's try another. I want to speak more. You say it. I want to speak more. You stayed with it. One more. I am practicing now. Repeat. I am practicing now. You completed that practice. Notice something. You just spoke English 3 times. You did it. Speaking starts with small steps like this. Now let's talk about the second reason you can't speak. Fear. You are afraid of mistakes. You are afraid people will judge you. You are afraid your English is not good enough, so you stay silent. You listen, you understand, but you don't speak. This fear is normal, but this fear is also a problem, because the only way to learn speaking is by speaking. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes mean you are trying. Mistakes mean you are learning. Every native speaker made thousands of mistakes as a child. You will make mistakes too, and that is perfectly fine. Here is something you can do today. Find one moment alone, maybe in your room, maybe while walking. Say 3 sentences in English out loud. Any sentences, simple ones, like these. Listen. I am learning English. Now you try. I am learning English. Good. Next one. Today is a good day. You say it. Today is a good day. Nice. Last one. I feel okay. Repeat. I feel okay. You tried that sound. Do this once today. 3 sentences. Out loud. No one is listening, just you. This builds your speaking muscle. Let's move to the third reason. You think in your language first. Then you translate to English. Then you speak. This takes too much time. By the time you finish translating, the conversation moved forward. So you give up. You stay quiet. The solution is to think directly in English. But how do you do that? You practice simple thinking. You describe your actions in English as you do them. Let me show you. Right now, I am sitting. I am listening to English. I am calm. These are simple sentences, but they train your brain to think in English without translation. Let's practice this together. I will say what I am doing. Then you say what you are doing. Listen. I am sitting. Now you describe yourself. Maybe you say, I am sitting, or maybe I am walking, or I am resting. Choose what is true. Say it now. Good. Let's continue. I am listening. Now you. Maybe you say, I am listening. Say it. You completed that. One more. I feel calm. You try. Maybe I feel calm, or I feel tired, or I feel okay. Say what is true for you. You stayed with it. This is thinking in English. No translation, direct expression. Here is your second action for today. During one activity today, describe it in English. Maybe when you drink water, say, I am drinking water. Maybe when you walk, say, I am walking. Maybe when you sit down, say, I am sitting now. One activity, one simple sentence. Say it quietly or in your head. This trains direct English thinking. Try it today. Now let's talk about confidence. Confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes from speaking, even if you make mistakes, even if you speak slowly. Every time you speak, you build confidence. So you must start speaking now. Not later, not when you feel ready, now, with the English you have. Let's practice confidence building. I will say a sentence. You repeat it, clearly and calmly. Listen. I can speak English. Now you say it. Good. Say it again, a little stronger. I can speak English. You tried that. Next one. My English is improving. Repeat. My English is improving. You completed that. One more. I am not afraid to try. Say it with me. I am not afraid to try. You stayed with it. These sentences are true. Say them often. Believe them. Let's practice one more real-life situation. Imagine someone asks you a question. How are you? You want to answer, but you freeze. You think too much. Here is what you do. Answer simply. Don't search for perfect words. Just answer. Listen to simple answers. I'm fine, thank you. I'm okay. I'm good. I'm tired today. All of these are perfect. Short, clear, real. Let's practice. Imagine I ask, how are you? You answer. Say one of those sentences now. Choose one. Say it. Good. That's all you need. Simple answers. Clear answers. No long explanations needed. here is your third action. Tonight, before you sleep, practice answering one question in English. The question is, how was your day? Answer simply. Maybe you say, it was okay, or it was good, or it was long. One simple answer. Say it out loud softly. This prepares your brain for real conversation. Let me remind you of something important. You already understand so much English. That is real progress. Understanding is the first step. Now we add speaking. Step by step. Sentence by sentence. You don't need to speak perfectly. You need to speak honestly. You need to speak simply. You need to speak bravely. And you are doing that today, right now. Let's practice one final round. I will say 3 sentences about learning English. You repeat each one. Take your time. Listen. I understand English well. You say it. I understand English well. Good. Next. I am learning to speak more. You repeat. I am learning to speak more. You tried that. Last one. I will practice every day. Say it with me. I will practice every day. You completed that practice. You did all of it. Thank you for practicing with me today. You learned why understanding is easier than speaking. You learned how to start speaking without fear. You practiced real sentences. You took small, brave steps. That is progress. Real progress. Now here is your 7-day challenge. Day 1 and 2, say 3 English sentences out loud once a day. Any sentences, simple ones, about your day, about your feelings. Just 3. Day 3 and 4, describe one activity in English while you do it. Like drinking coffee or walking. Say it quietly. Day 5, 6, and 7, practice answering one question out loud. How are you? Or, how was your day? Answer simply in English. Do this every day. Build the habit. Build your confidence. Build your voice. You understand English. Now you are learning to speak it. One sentence at a time. One day at a time. Keep going. I believe in you. See you next time.